Sana merong basura. Ay, isang bag ko ba eh.
Potatoes.
Ooh, that's a really good bag of potatoes. Diba? Babalik kami sa dumpster. Ay mga kabahay, silipin natin. Oh my gosh, mga kabahay. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at them here, kabahay. Oh, talk them. Hey. Oh wow. Is it good? Yeah. Hi mga kabay! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening kung saan po kayo sa sulok sa buong mundo. Welcome po kayo sa ating vlog today. Guess what po mga kabay? Kung saan tayo patungo. Today, we are going to check Mr. Bean. Sisilipin natin yung pinakamalapit na Mr. Bean natin dito sa bahay namin. And it's about 5 minutes away. It shouldn't take long. And I'm hoping, cross fingers, na meron tayong makukuha today. Napakaganda po ng panahon today. It's the ending of summer and talagang napakainit po. Tingnan niyo po ang surroundings. Talagang busilak talaga. Napakabusilak ni Mr. Sun today. So, I'm hoping we can get some. It's been about a few days since we've been there last time and just hoping. Tingnan po natin. Okay mga kabay, we are just about to pull in at meron akong nakitang napakalaking Pepsi truck and merong Doritos chip truck. Titingnan po natin kung meron mga laman sa Mr. Bean. Medyo busy. May mga truckers dito na nagde-deliver. Pero, I think the coast is clear. Titingnan po natin. Hoping hindi tayo hindi tayo mabusted ng mga employees. Like last time, akala ko hahabulin ako ng employee pero sumibat siya. So, and as soon as I saw her I took off too because I was scared tatawagin niya ang manager niya. For I can see that the trash bin is open, the dumpster is open. So tingnan pa natin. Medyo malinis ang kanilang place na kabay kasi they hired somebody to clean it. So mga kabay. Ang linis ng basurahan nila kabay. Sana merong basura. There's one little bag. I think it's a potato. May isang bag kabay. Naspatan ko and it's a bag of potatoes. So kahit maliit, meron din naman, diba? Ay, isang bag kabay. Look.
Potatoes.
Pagpalin natin. That's it. So, mga kabay, hindi naman siya bulky, may isang bag. So, tingnan niyo po. Ooh, it's a really good bag of potatoes. Diba? So, at least, may one bag tayo. Sige mga kabay. Ay mga kabay, kababalik lang po namin galing sa pamamasora. At nakita niyo po kanina, yung nakuha ko po ay isang bag lang po ng patatas. And if you can see, I'm just here lang po sa backyard namin. Just hanging around kasi meron po akong plano. As you can see po, Dito kami sa backyard namin, dito sa aming next to our chicken pen. And ang rason po kung bakit nandito lang ako dito sa backyard namin ay babalik kami sa dumpster. And the reason why is kasi before I left doon sa dumpster kanina, I actually went inside the store kasi curious ako kung meron ba silang pinark na baggy again. And just like I thought, meron po silang pinark na isang buong malaking baggy po na papapunta na po sa basurahan. So I told myself I am gonna get it this time kasi yung last time na naunahan ako ng isang I think isang dumpster diver din. But this time we planned on going back around 5, and it's like only while I'm filming this video, it's only 2:30, so mag-wait ako ng mga 2.5 hours before we go back in. And I'm hoping this time we will get the whole thing. I mean, they got all kinds of stuff in there, mga kabay, mga cereal, mga saging, mga iba't iba pa po, mga kamates, nakikita mga veggies doon. So I'm hoping we'll get it. So we're just hanging around, waiting around until that time comes. Hi mga kabay, babalik na po tayo sa ating dumpster. Napatagal po kami kasi actually po time check, it's what time is it? 7:10 at napatagal kami kasi may drama dito sa aming kapitbahay. So meron mga police kanina, and so I didn't feel like it was safe for us to leave the house, and so nagantay ako ng mga 2 oras bago ako nagdesisyon na umalis at bumalik sa ating dumpster. So ngayon wala nang tahimik na, wala nang mga police, at yung mga kapitbahay namin dito ay they're all settled now. So hoping nandun yung ating yung inaasahan kong magandang basura na ating makukuha. So tara mga kabay, samahan niyo kami. Okay mga kabay, silipin natin. Oh my gosh, mga kabay. Oh, wow. Wow. Come here, kabay. Oh, dog food. For Yo-Yo. That's exactly for Yo-Yo. Open the trunk.
Dog food?
Yes. Oh wow. Hurry. Things got wet. And Pokemon cards. Gosh, mga kabay, ang dami mga kabay. Ito. Some kinds. Pokemon cards. Oh my god. Ooh, chocolate, my baby. Look at that. Oh, there's nothing. Nothing? Chips Ahoy natin. Okay, mga kabay. Alright. Is it good? Yeah. Hi mga kabay! Dumating na po kami sa bahay namin at that was a very exciting adventure po kasi my heart was really pounding so hard kanina while I was getting the stuff from the dumpster kasi maraming mga tao, maraming mga customer and talagang very challenging po yung moment ng paghaharbat ko po ng mga basura sa dumpster. Pero tingnan nyo po kung ano ang nakuha ko. I'm so excited po kasi napakarami, napaka-jackpot po natin today. Tingnan po natin. Ta-ta-ta! Mga kabay, tingnan nyo po, sari-sari. Sari-sari ang ating nakuha. Basta mga kabay, ang dami. Meron tayong mga kape, mga bars, mini bars, may mga chocolates, all kinds of different kinds of chocolates, may mga cookies, lahat po, sari-sari. So, ihahabot ko po ito at ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung ano ba talaga ang lahat na nakuha ko. Okay, mga kabay!
Hello, Yo-Yo.
Really? Tingnan nyo mga kabay! I-display ko po ito at I'm gonna sort it out according to their kinds. Okay mga kabay! Ito na po ang lahat na naharbat ko po sa dumpster. So, hindi ko po dinisplay sa trunk ng car ko kasi napakaliit ng space at talagang napakarami po nakuha ko. So, I thought I'll just lay it here in the ground dito sa backyard namin. And so, ito po yung nakuha natin. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo. I was able to get a whole pack of Charmin toilet paper. And I think that ang rason po na tinapon nila is nabasa po siya ng some kind of shampoo, if not body wash. Because I can even smell it. It smells really good. So, that's why tinapon nila to. At isang sakong, malaking sako po ng dog food. Tinapon po nila kasi na ano po, tingin niyo po, it got cut on the side. So, tinapon lang nila. So, I was able to get it. And then, tingnan niyo po, I was able to get 4 boxes of this Happy Easter chocolate. So, ito po yung karton na nilagyan ng mga chocolate bunny Easter chocolates. So, this is a whole box of it. And then we got 3 more that are still sealed and never been opened. I was trying to find the expiration at hindi ko po nakita yung expiration. So, I don't know. Walang expiration. Tsaka yung kulay ng ng tsokolate ay talagang napaka-brown pa po. Hindi pa po siya pumuputi. Nothing like that. So, it's still really good. And then, meron po tayong mga Kit Kat. We have about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of Kit Kat po. And then, may 5 bag ng Hershey Nuggets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang dami mga kabay. At meron din tayong 6 boxes ng Golden Grahams, little bags of this bars right here, oat bars. We got 7 boxes of those. And then we got 5 boxes of cereals, the Gordon Graham cereals. And then we got 2 packs of the Chips Ahoy. We got 3 boxes of Folgers coffee, 3 boxes of the McCafe coffee, 3 boxes din po ng Dunkin coffee para po sa Keurig coffee maker. And then, take it back, we got 4 boxes of this McCafe. And then po, meron po tayong, actually po, itong 12 packs, mini Oreos, Nutter Butter, and mini Chips Ahoy bags. there's actually four boxes of this. Nasira po yung isang box kasi nabasa. So I just ripped the box out and just, you know, pour the little bags of mini cookies in, you know, behind my trunk. So ito po yung loose packs po ng mga mini cookies. At saka, meron tayong Hostess individually wrapped mini cake. And then, actually po, lima po pala, take that back. Limang boxes po pala ng 12 packs ng mini Oreos, Nutter Butter, at saka mini Chips Ahoy. 3 boxes po ng Kaz bars, Hostess mini bars. Ito po yung klase nito. And then, we got 1 box of Lunchables. And then, I don't know what this is, some kind of cosmetics or something. It's still sealed, never been opened, so I wonder what that is. And then we have a bag po ng apples, Gala apples po, napakaganda pa dito. And then we got some loose things of Twix. We got some mini cups. I just took it off po sa packs niya kasi nasira, so I just took the mini cups out of it and just took it with me. And then, meron tayong naharbat na mga kamatis, mga kabay, isang tub at saka 1 individual na unang kasama. Isang malaking box po ng mga saging. Tingnan niyo po. At meron din po tayong mga nakakuha din po ako ng alarm clock. I'm wondering, curious po if it works. So, I don't know. I'm gonna find out later on. I-check ko po natin. I-check ko po kung okay pa po ba siya o hindi. So, and then we got 2 packs of hot dogs. I got these because I can cook it for Yo-Yo or for Kayla, yung cat namin. So we're not gonna eat this. I got them for our pets. And then last but not least, kanina po, ito po yung nakuha natin kanina sa first visit po natin sa pagdadiving kanina. A whole bag of Idaho potatoes. Napakaganda pa po. Tinapon lang nila kasi may isang potato na nabulok. But the rest of them are still so good. Nothing wrong with them. Alright mga kabay. Ano po ang masasabi niyo po sa dumpster diving experience natin this time? I was really happy po kasi napakarami po ang nakuha namin. Talagang we saved a lot of food from going to the landfill. And so, mga kabay, if you have come far in this video, don't forget po to subscribe at saka i-like niyo po ang video na to and also share this to your friend. Marami pa po mga tao ang makakaalam at mai-entertain po sa mga klase na video na to. Okay mga kabay, hanggang sa susunod po. Ingat po kayo at God bless. Bye!